Hi, if you're watching this video, please stop doing what you're doing and continue watching to the end of this video. Hi everyone, are you looking for new music to listen to? Perhaps you're tired of the music that you've been listening to for 10 some odd years and you're looking for some new music that's a little more interesting than Pink Floyd and Led Zeppelin. And I'm Noah, owner of the Instagram account Noah Kelly Music. I'm the artist who released 2 albums that were lucky to get over 100 streams, The Dickweed's Ego, and backing tracks made in painful isolation. Over the course of 2021, you might remember that I've put out a couple of singles here and there with empty promises about an album release. You can forget all of that. Right now, that is irrelevant. I am here to announce that I am releasing a new studio album. This one I actually promise I'm going to release because I actually finished it and it's not an empty promise. I promise. This album is all instrumental and is a concept album about the moods of space, time, and existence. What's the album's name? Space. But Noah, what happened to the album The Sun Still Sets in the West? Shh, it doesn't exist anymore. I'm just gonna give some general info about the project that I've been working on. Production started primarily in late August and early September. I recorded most of the tracks here in my home. The album is 10 tracks long and about 30 minutes in length. And it's all about space, as I've previously mentioned, because it's called Space. The nice thing about doing a concept album is I'm letting the tracks flow into one another, so you'll be experiencing transitions in songs, like this one right here. That's pretty cool, isn't it? All the songs on the album were written, performed, and produced and mixed by yours truly. And for those of you who think, oh, this is gonna be bad because he's inexperienced at mixing and he's not good at producing,
Shut up, Figglebottom.
the album, I can say, is a departure from my usual kind of music as it explores on the more keyboard side of things. There's more melody to it. There's a lot of synthesizer and organ, and of course there's going to be guitar bits here and there, but I'm primarily focusing on keyboard and melody aspects for this album. Of course, with an album release, you gotta release some singles. The lead single for the album, Stars, was released on September 17th. It's just kind of to give an overall impression of what the album is going to sound like, and just how the mood of the album is going to feel. Of course, there's going to be a couple more singles coming out before the album comes out, and then the album will come out soon. I'm going to get to that in a second. The second single, which is titled Moon, is supposed to release on October 8th, 2021, whereas the album and the lead title track Space release on October 15th, 2021 at 1 a.m. Atlantic Standard Time, because the record label is an Eastern Standard Time. So there's going to be more information on the album released within the coming, I'd say probably month or so leading up to the release. I'm going to be doing some Instagram posts and maybe a video or two here and there about how production's going and stuff like that. So as I end this video, don't forget that you guys should go stream Stars, because I am super proud of that song, as it is the lead single of the album, and it is the only thing from the album that is released right now until October 8th when the song Moon comes out. So of course, thank you guys so much for watching this video and listening to me talk about this new project that I'm very excited to share with you guys. Be sure to follow my streaming platforms. There's going to be a link in my bio for that with everything listed there. Share this video with your friends and stream my music, because that's really how you can show your support. As always, keep rocking, guys.